Welcome to the AI Dictionary channel by Susie Hala. Today's question: what are the key ingredients to complete an AI? Artificial intelligence isn't made with one single ingredient. It's a powerful blend of several components working together. Think of it like a recipe, and here's what you need. 1. Data. First, we need data, lots of it. Data is the fuel of AI. It can be images, text, numbers, or even sounds. Without data, AI has nothing to learn from. 2. Algorithm. Next is the algorithm, the brain of the operation. Algorithms are step-by-step instructions that help AI learn from data, make decisions, and solve problems. 3. Computing power. Then we need computing power. This is the hardware, like GPUs and specialized AI chips, that process huge amounts of data quickly. Faster computing means smarter AI. 4. Training. Now comes the training. AI learns patterns from data using machine learning techniques. This training helps the AI become accurate and useful over time. 5. Human input. And let's not forget the human touch. AI still needs experts to guide it, from designing the model, checking for fairness, and making sure the results are ethical and safe. 6. Feedback and improvement. Lastly, we need feedback. AI improves by learning from its mistakes. Just like a student, it gets better with time, feedback, and corrections. So the ingredients of AI are data, algorithms, computing power, training, human input, and feedback. Mix them all, and you've got the foundation of artificial intelligence. Subscribe to learn more, like and share right here on the AI Dictionary channel by Susie Hala.